morning. I'm the last one to leave camp today. I'll catch up with Gazelle and Ryan a little bit later. Ooh, I still have my hat on. It's a beautiful campsite. It's a Woolbales camp hut. Beautiful tent sites. My tent is lying out to dry because I don't have a freestanding tent, so I have to use the campgrounds, but it's actually a good idea because people tend to snore sometimes and I would like to have my peace and quiet. So a tent is actually a good idea. Yeah, so the condensation is pretty bad in the morning, and so the only thing I have is that I have to dry my tent a little bit in the morning. But you know, if you have a good tent, it shouldn't be too difficult. See, it's almost dry already and it's lying there for 10 minutes. So yeah, today's a hot day, and we're trying to go to Longpoint. And I don't know how many videos I can make today, but let's see. See ya! Snake country all morning. Almost at Mandalay Beach. Out of the bush onto the rock. Wow. Pretty. Let's follow the waggles. Woohoo! We're on the beach. Almost there. Oh, 1 kilometer on the beach. Yay! Good morning! We're just leaving the huts, going to Walpole, so we double hutted today. Yeah, so it's been a really warm night and the sun's just coming up and we're hoping to be there just after lunch. Yay! Also, just to give you an idea on the campsites, all the campsites had water and really nice tent sites. So I slept in a tent the whole way and Gazelle slept inside the hut. It's really comfy, really roomy, and there's enough space for I think the people that you would meet, unless there's groups, but they have to register separately if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, it's pretty good. If you have any comments on the videos or something, suggestions, please comment in the box below. Sand, sand, sand. It's magic. Or not. Yesterday was all day like this. Today the same, but look at the view. 3 kilometers to Montclair. Woohoo! Looking forward to lunch. Yay! We got rid of the sand. 2.4 to go to the shelter, Montclair shelter. We're gonna cross the famous suspension bridge. New bridge, beautiful. Took some beautiful photos. It's a bit wobbly. I'm not really the best with heights and stuff, but as you can see, it's really safe. It's got hand railing on either side, and I'm just trying to keep my balance. Ah. Ha ha ha. Got my trekking poles under my arm, and it's going from side to side. Oh my god. But look, wow, so beautiful. Wow. Also, it's recommended that you don't cross with more than 3 people at once.